Hi, this is Tony Cook, and this is What's in the Box. Today, InterMountain's Pullman-Standard 4750 cubic foot capacity 3-bay covered hopper. This was the second model from InterMountain and was released in mid-1993, their first being the Canadian cylindrical hopper. So this has been around quite a long time, but a lot of things have changed in 3 decades that it's been on the market. This new run is reviewed and coming up in August 2024's Model Railroad News, and I've got an early look here at 2 releases that are exclusive to Spring Creek model trains. This is one of them, and the other is also a Kyle example. So let's take a look at both of those. First off, they are marked for Spring Creek as exclusives. Spring Creek sells these for $38. I think the retail price on Intermountain's cars right now is $46.95. The model comes packaged in a clear plastic inner tray. And the 2 from Spring Creek are Kyle, which is a railroad that operates the old Rock Island in western Kansas and eastern Colorado. And they were originally FGDA green hoppers, so these are kind of faded green with the patched Kyle markings on the side and a really cool faded look at the logo. Ends are black. Replaced roof hatches there are white. And then on the other model, you can see that some of the trough hatches are new, replaced fiberglass, some of the old, and where that FGDA panel would have been, it's missing, removed on this patched car, and the location underneath there is a darker color because, of course, it hasn't been hit by the sun in all these years. The model comes with 36-inch metal wheels because it's a 100-ton car. You've got body-mounted metal knuckle couplers on there as well. The car weighs in at 3.9 ounces. Also an Intermountain's run, these are available from anybody, not just Spring Creek, is this Rapid City, Pierre, and Eastern. This is a Chicago Northwestern hopper that has a faded bar and ball. Chicago Northwestern fans will have to correct me there. I know I did look it up, and I think I have it right in the magazine in my review. But anyhow, you can see the Northwestern Herald is there, but in that kind of rough, faded away look. The conspicuity reflector stripes are there, and then patching for the RCPE reporting marks. So this is another cool car in the group. You'll also notice there's variation in the tooling. See, the jacking pad is wider with a larger opening on this car, and then this one has like the older style, the thinner jacking pad with a small opening. Another tooling variation, all these are green. In fact, I think I titled the review that's coming up in August, Model Railroad News, Making It Easy to Be Green. And this is a 4750 later era Burlington Northern with the 2 lines of data and the kind of the more conservative or modest Burlington Northern presentation. It has a stiffener bar across the top and that bigger jacking pad. There's also differences in the outlet gates between the toolings on these models. So one size does not fit all on these. And this is a Burlington Northern release. There's loads of road names in this offering. Again, they retail for $46.95. That is a look at not 1, not 2, not 3, but 4 green hoppers, including these 2 special exclusive run Kyle hoppers available in limited quantities from Spring Creek model trains. I'll have links in the description below, and that's what's in the box today. Thanks for watching.